Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, that is ehihie Oma. Good evening. If this is your evening, and that is mgbede Oma. And good night. If this is your night, that is abalị Oma. Kekunu mere o. How do you do? Kedu ndị kwesịrị n'ebe a n'oge a? Who are the people that should be here now? Abụ m Maazị Okafọ, onye nkụzi Igbo, the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okafor. Ugbu a bụ oge anyị kwuru ekwu. This is the time agreed when we should all meet here to discuss in Igbo language. If you are viewing us, this live class for the first time, possibly when this has been uploaded in our homepage, or you are joining us live, this is the time we always meet every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time to drill ourselves in Igbo language, try to speak Igbo, try to listen to Igbo sentences and Igbo words, spoken word actually. This drill is practically for spoken words, spoken Igbo language. You may have been watching Igbo YouTube videos on YouTube, lesson videos here and there. You may have been trying to speak on your own, but here we practically, expose ourselves to drill, listening, comprehension, and translation. That's what we do here. You listen to the Igbo spoken to you, you comprehend what you say, you try to translate in writing in the chat. That is practically what we do here. So this is a practical class. If you have been watching Igbo lesson videos all along and you want to measure your level of progress, you want to test yourself, maybe you have no one around you to practice with, that is more reason why we began to do this. So you need to come here every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time to join us so we can practice speaking Igbo, listening to Igbo spoken to us, comprehending what is said, and then learning from the teacher and from your co-learners. This is a family. We call it the Igbo family. So here we speak Igbo to each other, we learn from each other, we grow together, we challenge each other. So what are you waiting for? Join us now. If you are a member of the channel, this is actually reserved for the members of this YouTube channel. They are the only one that can gain access to this. I mean the live class. This may be uploaded later on for everybody to view and then rewatch. But if you want to participate live and measure your level of progress live, you need to join our membership channel. Membership of this channel by just clicking the join button, the black join button beside my channel name in the home page. And then do the necessary thing, make your payment, and then become a member of this channel. For people living in Nigeria, it's just 2,000 naira per month. Those who are in diaspora, YouTube determines the price. But whatever you are paying, the value is worth more than that. You have free live class every Saturday. You have free ebook every month, which is even more than the price of the ebook is more than the subscription fee. So it's like having it free, everything is free for you. So, and then you have classes every Saturday, free classes like this. So, what are you waiting for? If you've not joined our channel membership, do so now. And if you're a member of the channel already, do well to join the class right now so that we can start today's class. What are you? And what are you waiting for? Begin to join now. Let the class begin. We have just 1 hour to do this. So, wherever you are, let's come to class now. Let's come to class now. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Begin to join the class now. Yes, waiting for you to join up. Join up, join up, join up. Let's begin. Who is there? Who is there? I'm waiting for you to come in. Who is coming to class first today? Who is the first student to mark his or her attendance today? As you join, you drop your greetings in the chat. Let's welcome you officially to class. Yes, the Igbo tutor is here. It's live, waiting for you. What are you waiting for? Join now. And if you are seeing me right now and you intend or you have interest in learning with us, why not? Just hit the join button, join our channel membership, and you gain access to this live class every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigeria time. So I'm waiting for you. Let's come to class now. All right. There we go. Mazi Clement. Oh, ụtụtụ ọma, Maazị Clement. Ndewo, ndewo, Maazị Clement. Okay, let me return your greeting to you. Ndewo, Maazị Clement. Okay, you are the first to come to class today. That's thumbs up for you. Appreciate. Okay, I'm waiting for others. We'll wait a little bit more. Maybe one more person will join before we begin. Or what do you think, Mazi Clement? Because I don't want to waste your time. Haven't joined the class at the right time. Their time must not be wasted. So we can only wait on your permission. Should we wait a little bit or we should start? Mazi Clement, you are the one that asked this question. Should we wait a bit or we should commence the class? What do you suggest? The floor is for you. You are the one that is in class. You are in charge now. You are the one that kept our time. So I must honor and respect you for that. Yes. Okay. Okay. Nake is in already. Nake is also in. So there's no reason to wait again. Nake, no. Please confirm that I'm audible enough as we take off now. Confirm that I'm audible enough. Can you hear me clearly? Confirm that, please, as I take off. Can you hear me clearly? Please confirm that. Yes, confirm that as we move. Confirm I'm audible enough before we move. Nake, no. Yes, okay. Thumbs up, guys. So let's go. Taa anyị na-ekwu maka obodo Nigeria. Ụbọchị taa anyị na-ekwu maka obodo Nigeria. Let's write what I've just said now. Class has started already. Taa anyị na-ekwu maka obodo Nigeria. Write what I've just said now in the chat. Class is on already. Taa anyị na-ekwu maka obodo Nigeria. Okay, that's good. That's good. Thank you. Thank you for hearing me. I've already made the first sentence. So, taa anyị na-ekwu maka obodo Nigeria. What did I say? Write it in the chat. Taa anyị na-ekwu maka obodo Nigeria. Let's go. Write what I've just said in the chat in English. Taa anyị na-ekwu maka obodo Nigeria. One, waiting for you. Hit the chat. Hit the chat and let's go. Hit the chat. Let's go there. Who is translating first? Taa anyị na-ekwu maka obodo Nigeria. Let's go there. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, Clement has written. Yes, Nake, what do you say? Clement is in already. What does Nake say? Yes, yes, yes. Taa anyị na-ekwu maka obodo Nigeria. Today we are talking about cities in Nigeria. That is what Nake wrote. Why Clement wrote today, we are talking about the country Nigeria. The winner is Clement Emehe. Obodo is a country. Okay, basically, especially when we put the country name there, Obodo Nigeria is talking about the nation itself, the nation Nigeria, the country Nigeria. Okay, let me write what I said in Igbo. Ta. Of course, most of you understood what I said. Anyị na-ekwu maka, in case for those who are writing notes, obodo Nigeria. Okay, because of those who are writing notes. So obodo here is a nation, Nigeria. Although obodo also, just to buttress what Nake wrote, obodo also means small part of Nigeria. You know, it can also represent a town. It can represent a city. Okay. So, but when it comes to town and city, we can say akụkụ obodo, the side of, okay, of a nation. Akụkụ obodo, maọbụ steeti. Okay? So we can also use that. But obodo on its own can also be used to represent a particular town or a locality. Okay? So, but obodo is more appropriate to be used for nation. Okay? It's more appropriate for nation. Okay? Next sentence now. Nigeria nwere nnukwu nsogbu. Nigeria nwere nnukwu nsogbu. That's the second sentence. So, Nigeria nwere nnukwu nsogbu. Let's go. What did I say? Write it right away. Nigeria nwere nnukwu nsogbu. Let's write what I've just said now. Okay? Okay, Nake is in. Nake is in. I'm waiting for Emehe. Nigeria nwere nnukwu nsogbu. What did I say? Translate and write it in English in the chat. Nigeria nwere nnukwu nsogbu. If you are watching this a live class in my homepage, you do the same thing that we're doing now. Write your own in the comment section as you are watching. Do what we are also saying here in the comment section. That is what it should be in case you are rewatching this later on. Okay, Nigeria has big problem. Nigeria has big problem. I give it to you guys. That is perfect. Okay, Nigeria. I'm writing the Igbo version now. Nwere. Okay. Nnukwu nsogbu. Okay, that's what I said. And you guys got it right. Nigeria has big problem. I go on. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? You are asking me the question now. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? Okay. So I want you to write what I've said in Igbo. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? You are asking me this question. Write it in Igbo. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? The way I said it. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? And then you go ahead and tell me the meaning. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? Write what I've just said. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? Write that in Igbo. You are asking me. We are conversing. So you are asking me the question. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? Write it in Igbo the way I said it. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? Yes, I'm waiting for that to be done. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. What is holding you from doing that? Okay, Nnaka is in. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? What is his problem? Okay? Mehe, what do you say? Write your own. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? Yes. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? Clement is in. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? What is the problem? Okay, who got it right? Nnaka is the one that got it right. Gịnị bụ nsogbu ya? That ya is or her problem. His problem or her problem. Talking about referring to Nigeria. Okay? So ya is not what is the problem. What is his problem or what is her problem? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. I think in Clement, you can hear my explanation. I think you can hear my explanation. What is her problem or what is his problem? That is Nigeria's problem. So that yeah there stands for its or her. Okay. What is his problem or what is her problem? Okay. And your guinea must have dot under the eyes. I think both of you did not put dot under your eyes. Please try to do that. Don't forget. Don't forget that your eyes in Guinea should have dot under them. I hope you remember that. Okay? Kaigani. Okay? That I'm not answering the question. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu ọtụtụ mmadụ ebe ahụ. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu ọtụtụ mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. What did I say? Write, translate, and write in English. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu ọtụtụ mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. Let's go there. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu ọtụtụ mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. Let's go. Write it the way I said it. Translate to English and write. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu ọtụtụ mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. Let's go. Give it a shot. Give it a trial. Give it a shot. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu ọtụtụ mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. Yes. Give it a trial. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu ọtụtụ mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. What did I say? What did I say? Let's go. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu ọtụtụ mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. Let's go there. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu ọtụtụ mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. Let's go there. Yes, translate that. Write that in the chat in English. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu ọtụtụ mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. Who is shooting first? Kedu onye na-ede? Kedu onye bụ ụzọ ede nke ya? Who is writing it first? Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. Let's go. Who is shooting first? Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. Okay, Nnaka is in. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu. I don't expect you to write the Igbo. I'm the one to write the Igbo. Just focus on translating what I've said and writing it in English. Okay. 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 Okay, I've got your response, Nnake. I've got your response. You see the problem? The time you are using to write the Igbo is what you should have used to translate it properly and write it the way it should be. So I hope you come back better. Don't bother about writing the Igbo. Write the translation. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu ọtụtụ mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. You have missed something, Clement. You have jumped something. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu ọtụtụ mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. Okay, I got your response, Clement. Okay, Nnaka is back. Whoa, that's excellent. Nnaka has hit the nail on the head. Okay, let me do the Igbo version. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu okay, ọtụtụ mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. That is the Igbo version. I'm gonna write it properly. Ndị ọjọọ na-egbu ọtụtụ mmadụ n'ebe ahụ. That is the Igbo version. And then who got it right? So the first person to get it was Nnake. Bad people are killing many people there. Then Clement came in. Bad people are killing many people here. That's the error. It's not here. Ebe ahụ is there. There, not here. Here is eba. Eba, here. Ebe ahụ, there. Okay, so Nnake is the winner in this one. Let's go forward. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Okay. Now the next one is a question. Gịnị ka ha mere ha? Gịnị ka ha mere ha? Gịnị ka ha mere ha? Those people they are killing. Gịnị ka ha mere ha? Write what I've said, translate and write in Igbo. In English, rather, gịnị ka ha mere ha? There's double ha there, but they don't have the same meaning. Gịnị ka ha mere ha? Gịnị ka ha mere ha is a question. The question is a follow-up to bad people are killing many people there. I now follow up with a question. Gịnị ka ha mere ha? Let's go. Nake is in. Let me wait for Emehe, Clement, and see what is his own opinion. Gịnị ka ha mere ha? What is the opinion of Emehe here? Gịnị ka ha mere ha? What did Emehe say to this? Okay, Clement is in. Okay. Nake wrote, what did they do to them? Okay, Clement wrote, what are they doing to them? First, let me write the Igbo version before we now do the final translation. Unfortunately, my I dot under is not showing up. So I'm using ordinary I. You should have dot under. Gịnị ka ha mere ha is a question. And then I must say Nake is the winner again. Gịnị what? Okay, both of you got that. Did they do to them? That is excellent translation. Gịnị ka ha? What did they do to them? Mere ha. So the other they, of course, both of you got the two ha. First one they, second one them. But Mnake got the translation perfectly well. What did they do to them? Gịnị ka ha mere ha? Why Clement wrote, what are they doing to them? No. When you say doing is neme. If I had said gịnị ka ha na-eme ha, that would be what are they doing to them? Na-eme, that is present continuous. But ka ha mere is what did they do? Or what did they do to them? Or what have they done to them? Okay? So that is Naka is winner again at this point. Okay. Okay. The answer now comes. O nweghị ihe ha mere ha. O nweghị ihe ha mere ha. O nweghị ihe ha mere ha. That is the response. Let's go. O nweghị ihe ha mere ha. What did I say? O nweghị ihe ha mere ha. O nweghị ihe ha mere ha. Yes, let's go. O nweghị ihe ha mere ha. Let's go. I'm responding to that question. O nweghị ihe ha mere ha. What did I say? Write that in the chat now. If you are watching this live class, write your own in the comment section as you are going on with us. Write your answer in the comment section. If you are with us in the chat, in the live class, write your own in the chat right now. O nweghị ihe ha mere ha. Let's go there. O nweghị ihe ha mere ha. Let's go. O nweghị ihe ha mere ha. Let's go there. Yes, 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 yes. O nweghị ihe ha mere ha. Nake is in. Nake is in. Where is Clement? Drop your response. Ọsịsọ. Mee ya ọsịsọ. Zite azịza gị. Zitere m azịza gị. Send your answer to me. Zitere m azịza gị. Okay, Dr. Blahi. No, doctor. No, na class in Keta, Dr. Abdullahi. Okay, where we are is onwei ihe ha mere ha. Doctor, that's where we are before you came in. So write what I've just said in English. Onwei ihe ha mere ha. Nake has already answered that. Waiting for Clement and Dr. Abdullahi. Onwei ihe ha mere ha. Yes, yes, yes. Drop your answer. Onwei ihe ha mere ha. Let's go there. Onwei ihe ha mere ha. Clement, okay, Clement is in. They are nothing doing to them. Good effort. Dr. Blahi, are you giving us a response to this? Or you have no idea? Don't forget to hit the like button as we go on. Okay. Yes. I mime, but I tried. Okay. Which one did you try now? I didn't see your Okay. Okay, Clement say I mime, but I tried. Okay, that's good. I like that trial. That trial is what is needed. Onweghị ihe ha mere ha. Dr. Blahi, are we expecting any response from you? If you don't know, say am I so we can move on. Yes. Yes, Dr. Blahi, waiting for your response. Onweghị ihe ha mere ha. Any response from you? Any response from you? Onweghị ihe ha mere ha. Mr. Nnake, please can you confirm if the subscription charge have been restored to what it was before? I think it had been normalized back to what it was before. Can you confirm that, Nnake? Dr. Blind say he has responded. Where is your response? The only thing I saw from you is Ndewo. Where is your response? Did anybody see Dr. Blind's response to the sentence I made last? Onwe ihe ha mere ha. I can't see any response from you. The first thing I saw from you was Ndewo, and that was all. So, all right, let me go and mark. And let me first write the Igbo version of this. Onwe, the I should have dot under it. Ihe ha mere ha. This is what I said. Okay, Dr. Blahi, they said they didn't see your response. Even me, I didn't see any response from you. The first thing we saw from you was greeting, Ndewo, and that was all. Okay, so if it was lost in transit, I don't know. Sorry about that. This is what I said. Onwei ihe ha mere ha. And the answer is very correct. From the answer was gotten perfectly well by Nnake. They didn't do anything to them. Okay, they did not do anything to them. That is onwei ihe ha mere ha. They did not do anything to them. Now let's move on. Okay. The next is a question to olee ebe ndị ndu ha. Okay, olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? That is the next sentence. Olee, ọ bụ otu ọnụ ahịa. Okay, otu ọnụ ahịa is how much? $7 or $10 or $9, what did they charge you? Because from my own end, I see that your payment, the money that got to me is around 5 point something dollars after taking their own share. So it appears that is the normal thing I have been getting before. So what did you pay eventually? Is it $9, as you said earlier, or it had been reversed to 7 point something dollars or something like that? I just need to be sure. Right. So I've made a new sentence now, and the sentence is Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? That is the next sentence. Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? Let's go. Okay. Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? That is the sentence. Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? Ndị ndu. Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? Yes, let's try that. Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? Wow. Paid $10.99, and they didn't give me, they gave me about half of the money. These guys are crazy. They're crazy, honestly. So they took all the money and gave me about 50% of the money. Funny. Okay. Anyway, thank you for the payment, but I must confess, YouTube is getting somehow nowadays. You're becoming more money conscious. Okay, that's all right. That's all right. Thank you for your belief in us and your support to the channel and the sacrifice you guys make to keep us moving. Appreciate that. Thank you, emailer. Okay, let's go. We're moving on. I've made a sentence already, and the sentence is Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? Is anybody trying that out? Okay, Nake is in. Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? Nake has answered that question. Yes. Who else is answering? Clement, any attempt? Dr. Blahi, any attempt? Yeah. Okay. Clement is in. What about Dr. Ablahi? Any attempt? Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? Dr. Blahi, any attempt? I got 2 responses already from Clement and Nake. Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? Yes, what you heard is correct, Clement. What you heard is correct. Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? That's exactly what I said. Okay? That is what I said. Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme? That is what I said. But na-eme there is not N with comma on top. It's not preposition. It's N-A dash E-M-E. It's an action word, present continuous action. So that is the only thing wrong from what you have written. Please, if you are learning something from this live class, do not hesitate to hit the like button beside my channel name. Do us that favor. It doesn't cost you anything to do. Okay. Dr. Blahi, he didn't, no response from you. He didn't say, am I him? He didn't give us any response. What is going on? Okay, but let me write the Igbo version first. Maybe your answer will come. Olee ihe ndị, that ndị should have dot under the I. Mine is not coming up like that. Ndị ndu ha na-eme. That is exactly what I said. Okay, what is error there? There's error in what I posted. Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme. Okay, of course, you should have a question mark. You should have a question mark. Okay, and who got the translation perfectly well? Nnake got it. Okay, Dr. Blahi is in. What things are their leader doing? Oh, good effort, great effort, great effort. Okay, but let me see who got it perfectly well. Nnake wrote, what are their leaders doing? Excellent translation. Okay, Clement wrote, this what I heard. Okay, Clement wrote, time things live they are doing. No, not ndo, ndi ndu, not ndo, not live. Ndu, leading. Ndi ndu is leaders. Okay, not ndi ndo. Okay. Yeah, I've seen your response, Clement. You wrote this what you wrote time, things, live they are doing. That's what you wrote. I've seen it. And I've seen Dr. Blahi too. Dr. Blahi, I've seen your response. What you wrote is, what things are their leader doing? And I've already commended that. And that's a great effort, great trial, Dr. Blahi. I've seen that. But the one that got it perfectly well is Mr. Nnake. He wrote, what are their leaders? That is ndi ndu plural. One person is onye ndu, leader, one leader. When they are many, they become ndi ndu, that is plural. So that is leaders. What are their leaders doing? That's why Nnake got everything perfectly written out. What are their leaders doing? Olee ihe ndị ndu ha na-eme. Yeah, but Dr. Blahi made a very nice effort where he wrote that what things are their leaders doing. So that is also correct, but it's better to say what are their leaders doing. Gịnị ka ha na-eme? All right, let's go on to answer that. Dr. Blahi, did you hear me? Did you get what I explained? Let's go. Next question. Next expression. Let's answer that question. What are their leaders doing? Ha na-achịkọta ego. Ha na-achịkọta ego. Ha na-achịkọta ego. Ha na-achịkọta ego. That is my answer to that question. Let's write what I have just said. Ha na-achịkọta ego. Ha na-achịkọta ego. Let's go. Write what I've just said. Ha na-achịkọta ego. Write what I've just said now. Ha na-achịkọta ego. Yes. Who is writing first? Clement has written first. Yes. Clement has written. Yes, I want response from others. Ha na-achịkọta ego. Clement has responded to that. What did Nnake say? What did Dr. Blahi say? Ha na-achịkọta ego. Ha na-achịkọta ego. Let's go. Ha na-achịkọta ego. Yes, I got response from only Clement for now. Waiting for that of Dr. Blahi. Dr. Blahi has entered. Okay. Nnake, what did you say? Ha na-achịkọta ego. Nnake, are you still there? Nnake, are you still there? Ha na-achịkọta ego. Is Nnake there or he has gone? Ha na-achịkọta ego. Yes. Hana chikota ego. Nake, I don't think you are still there. Let me write the Igbo version of what I've just said. Okay. Okay. Nake has written. Yes, I've seen your response, Dr. Blahi. I've seen they are stealing money. I've seen what you wrote. Nake wrote, they are collecting money. Okay, let's see who got it. But let me write the Igbo version first. Okay. Yeah, the first person to respond was Clement. He wrote, they are stealing money, followed by Dr. Ablahi, who wrote, they are stealing money. And then Nake wrote, they are collecting money. All of you tried. But the actual answer is, they are gathering chikota money. Okay. They are gathering money. Chikota. Chikota is gather. Okay. So stealing is hanizu ego if it is stealing. Okay. Ha na izu. Okay. Hanizu ego, which I did not say. Oh, that is the one that means they are stealing money. That is the one that is stealing. But gathering is chikota, gather, chikota, gather. Na chikota are gathering or is gathering. Okay? So that is what it is. Next one goes, next sentence. Kedu ihe ha ji ya eme? 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 Let's go. This is a question also. Kedu ihe ha ji ya eme? Okay, Dr. Blanc, you are experiencing time lag. Yeah, Nigeria wahala now. Everything is experiencing lag in Nigeria, so we have to manage it. But your answers are coming in. They are coming in. I'm reading them. Okay, so go ahead and answer the question now. Okay. I've already made another sentence, which is also a question. And the question is, Kedu ihe ha ji ya eme? Go ahead and supply your answer. Kedu ihe ha ji ya eme? Let's go. Ngwa 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 dee ya. Kedu ihe ha ji ya eme? Yes, let's go. We say they are gathering money, and then we ask a follow-up question. Kedu ihe ha ji ya eme? So who is going to supply the translation? Kedu ihe ha ji ya eme? Yes, no response yet. Kedu ihe ha ji ya eme? Wait for your response. Nake is in. I wait for others. Clement, Dr. Blahi, what is your response? Kedu ihe ha ji ya eme? Clement is in. Dr. Blahi is in. Okay, Dr. Blahi, you translated Hajia in Hausa to give you Hajia. That's serious. But let me write what I've just said in Igbo. Okay. That is not one word. Hajia is three words together, not one word. But you combine it like hajia. Kedu ihe ha ji ya eme? And who got the answer here? Nnake got it perfectly well. What are they using it for? Or what are they doing with it? That is the answer. What are they using it for? Or what are they doing with it? With the money they are gathering? What are they doing with it? What are they doing with the money they are gathering? What are they doing with it? Kedu ihe ha ji ya eme? Kedu ihe ha ji ya eme? Yes. What are they doing with it? Or what are they doing? Or what are they using it to do? Or what are they using it for? So that means Clement Emehe also tried. He wrote, what things are they doing with it? That's still okay. Kedu ihe? What things are they doing with it? That's still correct. But what are they doing with it? Or what are they doing using it for? Is still far better. Okay. So Dr. Blind is not hajiao in Hausa, it's hajia. They are using it. Eme to do. Okay. Let's answer that question now. Ha ji ya elekọta onwe ha. Ha ji ya elekọta onwe ha. Let's go. What did I say? Ha ji ya elekọta onwe ha. Let's go. Reply me now. Translate and post. Ha ji ya elekọta onwe ha. Yes, waiting for you. Ha ji ya elekọta onwe ha. Yes. I answered. Ha ji ya elekọta onwe ha. Yes, Nnaka is in. Nnaka is in. Any other response from any of you? Ha ji ya elekọta onwe ha. Good effort by Nnaka today. He's leading by all standard. Great effort. Yes, I'm waiting for Mehe and Dr. Blahi. Ha ji ya elekọta onwe ha. Clement is in. Clement said I should skip him for this one. Okay, bigger than you. Okay, let me write it in Igbo. Ha ji ya elekọta onwe ha. This is just what I said. Ha ji ya elekọta onwe ha. Is Dr. Blahi answering anything on this? No. So, if Dr. Blahi is not coming in, then I give it to Nnake. Nnake got the answer correct. They are, or they use it. They are using it Okay. They are using it to take care of themselves. Onweha is themselves. They are using it to take care of themselves. Hajia elekota onweha. They are using it to take care of themselves. What did Nake write? They use it to take care of themselves. Correct. Nake, you are great. You're too much today. Your answers are almost 100% accurate. Let's go. Okay. Next sentence. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Let's go. What did I say? Let's go. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. What did I say? Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Right, what I said. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Nnake, okay. You have not answered my last sentence, so I've made another sentence. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. What does that mean? Write that in Igbo. But Dr. Blahi, but I'm getting what you are saying, and I'm also reading what you are writing. The important thing is that you send it once the sentence is made. I'm getting it. I'm reading your sentences too, and I'm commenting on them. If you are paying attention, I'm doing that. Sorry about that. Just send your comment. I'm getting them, and I'm reading them also. Okay. Where we are now is ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Nobody has responded to this. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Yes, let's go. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. One answer has come in from Nnake. I wait for others, Dr. Blahi and Emehe. Let me get your response. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. What did I say? Translate into English and drop in the chat. No word for present continuous. In which one are you asking, Dr. Blahi? Is it the one I'm saying now? Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Is that the one you're asking for? Whether there is present continuous there? Because we have already passed that and the other sentence where you wrote Hajia. Okay. We are saying ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Clement, what did you say to this sentence? Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. What do you say? Yes. I got only one response from Nnake. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Yes, I'm waiting for everybody to respond. This might be the last sentence for today. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Dr. Blahi, I'm waiting for you to respond to this. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Where is Clement? Are you still there? If you have no idea, put it no idea. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Clement has not typed anything. Are you still there? But let me write what I've just said in English. Without the and okay, my response is there. Where is it? I didn't see your response, so okay, my response is they are without the enuku. Okay, that's the response. That's fine. Let me write what I've just said in Igbo. The ndi should have dot under the I. Okay. The same thing for Ochichi. Okay. Ochichi should have dot under the I's in Ochichi. Okay. This is what I said. Ndị ọchịchị ha nwere anya ukwu. Please, all my eyes have dot under them. The keyboard is not allowing me to do that. I don't know why. Emehe wrote, the government people are anu ukwu. Okay, that's good try. That's good try. That's good try. Okay, let me see what Nnake wrote. Their rulers are very arrogant. Good effort, but not very perfect. The right answer is, their rulers are, okay, their rulers are selfish, not arrogant. Selfish. Anyuku is selfishness. Their rulers are selfish. Are selfish. That is anyuku. Okay. And it's not ano, but anyauku, big I. Okay. And I've written the Igbo version also. Now let me explain this. Onye ndu, difference between onye ndu and onye ọchịchị. Onye ndu, okay. Onye ndu is leader. So if it's ndi, it becomes plural. That is leader. Why onye ọchịchị? The difference between the two. They are not the same. Someone is using force. The other one is using motivation, leading. One is ruling. So, onye ọchịchị is ruler. So, Nnake is very perfect on that. So, onye ndu is leader, leading by example. Okay? But onye ọchịchị is ruler. Right? Difference between the two. So, when they are plural, we call it ndị ndu, leaders, or ndị ọchịchị, rulers. So that's why in our sentence we say ndị ọchịchị ha, their rulers are selfish. Nwere anya ukwu. Do you understand what I've said? If you understand, type yes or a aghọtara m ya. Type that. And then if you have learned something today, please hit the like button. You have not done that. You have not done that. Hit the like button beside my channel name. All right, or under there, I don't know where it is. Give us a thumbs up if you think you've learned something today as we round up now. So, when we see next Saturday, do give us a thumbs up. Do like this live class. Listen to it again and see all the new things you have learned from here today. Okay. Okay. Yes, that's their leader have. Okay. Ndewo. Ya bụ ndị ndu ha nwere anya ukwu. Their leaders have selfishness, or they have big eye. But the summary of the meaning of that is selfishness in Igbo language. Daalụnụ. Thank you, especially Mr. Emehe, for coming on time today. Dr. Blahi, you followed up. Nnake followed up before Dr. Blahi. Appreciate you guys. At least today, timing was better than before when I had to wait for 10, 20 minutes without seeing anybody. That's not fair. So I appreciate Clement for keeping our time. Nnake too. Dr. Blahi, thank you for breezing in out of your busy schedule. Unu niile egbalịala. Ka ọ dị izuụka ọzọ. See you next week. Ka emesịa.